Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a fun date night tutorial here for you. So the first thing I'm using is the Tarte Clean Slate Flawless 12-Hour Brightening Facial Primer. And I am just dabbing it in places on my face and then rubbing it all in. And then I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender and the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 Foundation. This also has SPF 20 in it, and I have the color 842 Medium Beige. And what I did was pump it onto my the back of my hand and then dotted it on my face. And now I'm taking my beauty blender and I am dabbing it in. I'm not rubbing. Dabbing helps it like basically have a airbrush finish. So yeah. Taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard, I am basically going to be covering my dark circles under my eyes by creating a triangle shape underneath my eye, and then I'll be taking the beauty blender again and using the pointed side to dab it into my skin. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour color in Banana, I will be using the Serenity and Scott brush in number 12 to set my concealer underneath my eye. And then I'm taking the Serenity and Scott Pressed Powder Foundation in Fair to set my liquid foundation on my face. I will also be using the Serenity and Scott brush in number 12. Taking the Mica Beauty Cosmetics eye primer, and I will be rubbing it on my eyelid as an eyelid primer since it is a new color. And then I'm taking the Bombshell Cosmetics eye base in the color Submissive and using that as an eyeshadow base on my eyelid. And then I'll be taking my Tarte Rainforest After Dark palette to start my eyeshadow. The first thing I did was take the color switch little container thing to clean my brush, and then I took the Bdellium Tools brush in the number 777, and I took the color Bare to Explore and I put it all over my lid. And then the next brush I took was the NYC brush, and I used the fluffy end to gently blend Make a Mauve into the crease of my eye. And then for extra dimension, I smudged Plum Away With Me into the outer corner and blended up towards the crease using the crown brush. The crease brush is what I used. And then I took Don't Turn a Brown, and I used my Bdellium Tools brush in 760 to line my upper lash line because I didn't really want to use a liquid liner or a pencil liner. I wanted it to be more subtle kind of look. So that color eyeshadow was very, very nice for it. Finally, to brighten up my eye to make it look like awake, I took the color Up to No Gold to highlight the inner corner, and I used the Real Techniques brush in Accent Brush. For my mascara, I use Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. Obviously, feel free to use whatever kind of mascara that you would like. For my contour, I am taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep matte bronzer with my Bdellium Tools 962 brush, and I'm making a fishy face to get in basically the creases of my face. And then I am taking the Rainforest After Dark palette again and using the blush in it in the color Unleashed, and I'm putting it on the apples of my cheeks. For my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wigs in the color Brunette, and I will be using it to fill in my brows and using the other end to drag the color all the way through. Then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighting Duo Pencil, I will be taking the color Matte Camille and using it to line my eyebrows, and then taking the Bdellium Tools brush in 783, I'll be buffing out the harsh line from that. And then I'll be taking the color Sand Shimmer, which is on the opposite end, and using it to highlight the brow bone. I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Liner in the color Ozone, which is basically just a clear lip liner, and I'm lining my lips. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in the color 665 Lust for Blush and using that as my lipstick. The final step for me is taking the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control and making an X and T shape across my face. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, guys. Bye.